Welcome to how to WhatsApp web scan mobile to mobile. So in this video we are going to show you how to WhatsApp web scan mobile to mobile. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's suppose that if you want to run two WhatsApp in your one phone, then there is one method that you can do. The first one is that you have the official WhatsApp app installed in your phone, and the second method that you can basically open up the WhatsApp web in your browser. So first of all, you need to open up Chrome, and then you will go into this whatsapp.com official website. And then what you're gonna have to do here, that you might not see this page, so you will tap on these three dots here, and then you will scroll down here, and then here instead of request mobile site you will see request desktop site, and you will simply tap on that one. Okay, and when you tap on that one, it will open up the desktop web site in your phone's browser. And then what you're gonna have to do, like here it says that open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu if you are on Android, or tap settings if you are on iPhone, tap link devices and then link a device. Okay, so what you're gonna have to do, if you have a separate phone, you will open WhatsApp in that phone, then you will go to the settings here, then you will tap on linked devices, and then you will tap on link a device. Okay, and what you're gonna have to do here, that you need to scan that QR code with your second phone. Okay, and then the WhatsApp that is opened in your second phone will be opened here in this browser. So I'm sure that you understand my point. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next